In this video, you will learn how to replace the 12-volt battery on your Mazda CX-5. This is a straightforward job you can easily handle at home, and you only need a 10mm socket and a fresh battery. Begin by opening the hood and locating the battery on the left side of the engine bay. Your first step is to loosen the clamp on the negative battery cable using the 10mm socket. Give the clamp a small wiggle once the bolt is loose, then lift the cable away from the terminal. Removing the negative cable first helps prevent accidental sparks or short circuits while you work on the positive terminal. As you continue with the replacement, make sure your tools never bridge the positive and negative terminals. With the ground cable out of the way, move on to the positive terminal. Flip open the protective cover, then loosen the positive clamp with the same 10mm socket. Once it is loose, wiggle the cable upward until it comes free. Now that both cables are disconnected, you can remove the hold-down bracket. Loosen the two bolts on top of the bracket, but do not take them out completely. If the bolts come out all the way, the hooked rods they attach to will fall into the engine bay. Once the bolts are loose, rotate the hooks so they disengage from their slots, then lift the bracket away. At this point, you can remove the battery. It is fairly heavy, so lift it straight up and out, taking care not to bump any painted surfaces. Set it aside safely, then lower the new battery into position, making sure it sits firmly and evenly in the tray. Reinstall the hold-down bracket by setting it back in place and rotating the J-hooks so they latch into the plastic tabs at the bottom. Tighten the two bolts on top until the bracket holds the battery securely. A firm fit is all you need, so avoid over-tightening. Give the battery a gentle push to confirm it doesn't move. Remove the plastic terminal caps from the new battery and start reconnecting the cables. Attach the positive cable first, sliding it fully onto the terminal and tightening the bolt. Fold the protective cover back into place. After that, reconnect the negative cable and tighten its clamp. And you are done. You have successfully installed a new 12-volt battery in your Mazda CX-5. If this walkthrough made the job easier for you, consider giving the video a like and subscribe for more helpful maintenance guides. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.